fitting Otari MX5050 rack ears to a Teac 3340. It can be a 3440. So as a template, I'm using the wood side panels. That's just an alignment. I've just drilled these two here. I'll pop that in there to keep it aligned. That's my level there. And there's one already fitted. And I've used spacers because this is 5/8, I think, this piece of wood. So not wanting to damage anything inside, I've used spacers for the bolts. And obviously I've checked it with a reel. Got one right here, another Otari. Going on. There it goes. So plenty of space there. It's lined up the same as the wood panel was lined up, and also enough room for the rack mount bolt to go through there. Now I like everything rack mounted. I don't like all this furniture. I think that looks a lot more professional. There's a Otari, which I put rack ears on that one. And so that's how you do it. You take off the wood panels, line them up, right there, drill 4 bolts, and then use some spacers because of the 5/8 thickness of this wood here. And there you have it. And this I'll take the feet off when I rack mount it, and yep, there you have it. Otari rack ears on a Teac A-3340S.